Introduction and applications of fuels. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define fuels, explain classifications of fuels, list out the applications of fuels. About 359 to 299 million years ago, the age before the dinosaurs was known as the Carboniferous period, and it was a part of the late Paleozoic era. At the end of the Carboniferous period, because of ocean flooding that occurred due to climatic changes and continental drifts, the flora and fauna submerged to the bottom of the oceans. This may have led to the formation of several layers of thick bed of spongy material called the peat. Over millions of years, subsequent deposition of minerals, sand and clay piled over the thick layers of peat transformed into sedimentary type of rocks. The increase in several layers of the sedimentary rocks in turn increased the pressure upon the peat to squeeze out liquids present within it. This type of liquid, which came out of the peat as a result of continuous increased pressure, have transformed into fuels after millions of years. The fuels are classified into three types. They are solid, liquid, and gaseous fuels. The major forms of fuels that are being used in day-to-day life are coal, oil or petroleum, and natural gas, etc. Fuels are typically combusted in air, and the heat-derived fuels is used for commercial applications. Coal is a kind of black-colored rock. It consists of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur. Basically, the coal is classified into three main types. They are anthracite, lignite, and bituminous coal. Anthracite is the hardest type of coal when compared to the other types. It has more carbon and produces more energy. Lignite is a soft type of coal. It has low carbon content but high hydrogen and oxygen contents. Bituminous coal falls in between the range of anthracite and lignite for its hardness and energy output. In early China, coal was used and was thought to be a stone that could be burnt and used for cooking. Later, the use of coal was explored throughout the world. Coal is used as a fuel for transportation purposes. Besides this, it has lots of applications like fueling power plants to produce electricity and is also used in factories. Oil or petroleum is another type of fuel. Oil has been used for more than 5,000 to 6,000 years. In ancient times, Sumerians, Assyrians, and Babylonians used crude oil as a fuel that was collected from large seeps on the Euphrates River. The ancient Egyptians used liquid oil as a medicine to treat wounds and in lamps to provide light. In 1859, Edwin Drake discovered liquid oil in his well near Titusville, Pennsylvania. He found oil underground and pumped it to the surface and stored it in barrels made out of wood. 1/2 of the world's oil supply is derived from the oil wells of California. Crude oil undergoes fractional distillation through which we obtain petrol, kerosene, diesel oils, etc. Petrol contains hydrocarbon chain of 5 to 7 carbons in length. It is still a fraction of small chain hydrocarbons and therefore these vaporize at low temperatures and are easily ignited. This makes it useful as a fuel in cars, bikes, etc. Kerosene has an important use as a fuel for jet engines in aircraft and is also used in some rockets. Kerosene lamps are used for lighting purposes. Diesel is a common fuel in cars, vans, and lorries. Fuel oil is the final residue fraction obtained after diesel. Fuel oil is used as a fuel in power stations and ships. Lubricating oil sticks to surfaces and reduces the friction between the surfaces and also protects it from rust. Natural gas was discovered 2000 years ago. The natural gas seeps were first discovered in Iran. These gas seeps were accidentally discovered by the ancient Persians, probably ignited by firing. Natural gas is lighter than air. Natural gas is mostly made up of a gas called methane. Methane is made up of a carbon and 4 hydrogen atoms. Hence, the natural gas is highly flammable. Natural gas is usually found near underground petroleum wells. It is pumped from below the ground and is transferred through pipelines to the storage areas. Natural gas can be categorized as dry or wet gas. Dry gas is essentially the gas that contains mostly methane. Wet gas, on the other hand, like natural gas liquid, is composed of ethane, propane, butane, and pentane. Natural gas is mostly used for domestic, industrial purposes and also to generate electricity. It can also be used as a fuel for vehicles, as a feedstock for fertilizers, and is also used in hydrogen fuel cells. Besides the types of fuels mentioned above natural gases, other forms such as biogas are used in villages for domestic purposes. Metal air fuels like sulfur in air are burnt for propelling rockets and boosters. Summary: fuels are classified into 3 types. They are solid, liquid, and gaseous fuels. Coal is a kind of black-colored rock like solid fuel. Natural gas is mostly made up of a gas called methane.